Hello, welcome to today's video, a quick start guide for the daily goal functionality from Quick Trade Ninja. The daily goal functionality is a way for you to configure a chart trader button or hotkey that will place your target and stop orders at the correct calculated level of a daily goal that you set. So for example, if I have a goal of making on the micros right now, let's say I have $20 as my goal, it will calculate where I need to place my target, my profit target order, so that I will get to the $20 goal. This takes into account any open realized P&L as well as any commissions. On the same side, I can use this for my stop order. If I have a max drawdown in mind that I don't want to go beyond, then I can also create a button for my stop order, and the same scenario, it will calculate where it should go so that I don't go beyond that max drawdown, including any realized P&L and any commissions. So let's jump straight in. I've got a micro NASDAQ chart open here. It's a 15-second chart with nothing on it. As with all Quick Trade Ninja functionality, first you'll need to make sure you always have enabled the chart trader functionality with Quick Trade Ninja. Then you'll go to your indicator settings. Once your indicator window is open, go to the Quick Trade Ninja folder. And we're going to need a place for the buttons to live, so we'll first add a button panel. I'll go ahead and accept the terms of service and just accept the defaults for now. I'll then go and add a button. Let's do a quick action as the first button. Accept the terms of services. And a daily goal is a template. So I'm going to go to the template name and choose the daily goal template. This gives me a few options here. For the first button, let's do a target. Let's say I have a goal for $20 a day since I'm trading micros. I go ahead and enable the button. And since it's a target order, I'm going to make it green. And I will make this one $20. All right, we have our first button. Let's go ahead and make one more button, and this one will be for the stop. So I will go ahead and choose daily goal again. And this time, instead of moving our target, we're going to do a max drawdown. So I'm going to do my stop. And let's say I have a max drawdown of, I don't want to go below 100 ticks. So I'm going to do a negative 100 ticks. So I don't want to lose more than 100 ticks in a day. So that's my max drawdown. So I'm going to enable this button. Let's make it a red since it's a stop. And let's call it 100 ticks. And I have my two buttons here. They show up over here on the side. That looks good. So let's test it out. I'm going to go ahead, I have an ATM set up here, so I'm going to just do a buy market.
Order filled.
And I'll click $20. That moves my target up to the $20, and 100 ticks moves it down to 100 ticks. Interesting thing to note here, though, is I've been doing a lot of videos and testing, so I already had a realized P&L of 1650. So it takes that into consideration and moves my target up so that it covers the 1650 loss, as well as puts me up a total of $20 for the day. Same thing on the max drawdown side. It knows that I've already lost this number of ticks, so it takes that into consideration, and you'll see this is less than 100 ticks away from my entry point, and that's because it's taken that into the calculation. So this has been a real quick guide to the daily goal functionality. If you have any questions while you're setting this up, feel free to reach out to us, support@quicktradeninja.com, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.